Hey guys, and welcome to a DS18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and today we're going to talk about the DX2, the Deluxe two-way component set. Now these speakers are considered high-end components. They're very, very powerful, and they sound amazing. Let's open the box and see what we got. We got a DS18 manual, two-way crossover, Silky dome tweeter, and a 6.5-inch woofer. Let's close this up and start unwrapping. So let's see what we got. We got 6.5 inches mid-driver woofer. This is carbon fiber finish, as you guys can see. Carbon fiber dust cap, rubber surround. Check it out. Look at the back side. Nice suspension. You got the butt connectors, tensile leads. Got that nice basket in the back. It's pretty heavy. It's a real nice mid-range speaker, or mid-bass. Some call it woofer. Now, onto the tweeter. Nice silky dome tweeter. Very sleek. Nice connectors. Real nice. And then let's go on to the crossover. Two-way crossover. Nice DS18 logo. Black plexiglass. The whole housing is in plastic. Now let's read some specs. So we got 6.5 inches, 4 ohms, 400 watts peak power, 200 watts program power, 100 watts AES power, 89 dBs, and starts working from recommended frequency responses from 45 hertz. Now the tweeter, the Silky dome tweeter. It's a 1-inch tweeter, 4 ohms, 60 watts peak, 30 watts program power, 15 watts AES. You got 90 dBs. Frequency response is 800 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Recommended high pass crossover is 3.8 hertz. And now we got the crossover. This nice DS18 crossover. This is a two-way crossover. It's designed to be cut off at 3.5 kilohertz. Can handle up to 300 watts. The Deluxe DX2. This is a ferrite magnet design. Got the tweeter, got the crossover. I'm Mr. DS18, and stay tuned for more DS18 unboxing videos.